In a recent interview with Xinhua, a Nigerian expert had said China's growth and development offers an opportunity to the world, noting that its development path advocates inclusiveness instead of exclusion.
Chinese economy has done well, has recovered significantly. So China has been a significant factor in altering the destiny of globalization in the direction of inclusion, in the direction of accommodation, in the direction of shared prosperity for all stakeholders, enabling trade so that nations could trade themselves out of recession, nations could trade themselves out of poverty, nations could advance their domestic productivity when there is an international demand, especially the ready market like China. Beijing does not aspire to dictate to the world. Beijing aspires to contribute her own wisdom to solving world problems. So those who are paranoid about China are either mischievous or simply do not understand China. So those who fearmonger China development and seeks to contain it are behind the lines of history. My advice is they should get into the line of history and see the big picture, the big prospects that awaits humanity. The future of humanity is in cooperation and partnership.